Was it you? Did you do this?
Solamente en Cristo.
En Cristo, solamente en Él, la salvación.
You feel that strongly about it? This is how we make our bed in the morning. Can you get off my bed, please? Get off the bed. Athena, down. We can't go to the park until you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the park?
Ollie, smile for the camera.
You want something? You want something? You want something? Hey, hey.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my.
Oh, jump, Vi. Jump. Jump, Vi.
It's a swimming pool!
Is there a caca over there? Oh, is there a caca? Caca. Go, go. Hey. Hey. Oh.
Well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset? Riley? Who did that?
Yeah, almost there, bud. Oh, we got some of your hair. I'm sorry. No. Oh, we're so close. We're so close, bud. There you go. That's
Buddy!
peanut butter.
Buddy is crying of happiness because she got a dog, a puppy. Look here. Why are you crying, Neha Pardesi? So if it's cute, then you cry.
We got her first big toy. I think she likes him.
Come on. Willow, come on.
Come on. It's just a pineapple, dog. Go for it.
Here, Willow. Come here. Come here. Come here, Willow. Come here, Willow.
Our dog listening to the neighbors fight every day like.
I love you. Tell me. Thank you. I love you so much. I love you so much.
Are you giving Lucy a hug, Leela? You're giving Lucy a big hug. Is she your special buddy? Aww, so sweet.
Who's here?
Hey, Wick. Wick. Do you know who ate my cupcake? Never mind. I found him.
Oh no, he's biting my nose.
Are you supposed to be up there? Are you supposed to be up here?
Hey.
She drooled!
Uh-oh. Frida. Frida, get off of Fuzzy's head.
You're so fucking gross. Oh my god, get off of me, you bony, elbowy jerk. I'm busy. I'm busy right now.
He's got the zoomies. Oh my god. What the Dude. Are you okay?
What's wrong? Uh-oh. He's coming with the...
Where are you? Peekaboo, I see you. Where am I? Here I am.
Bobo, do you want this? Bobo, COVID. Do you have COVID? Oh man, COVID. Okay, now say achoo. Good boy.
Come here, big boy. Come here. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Come here, big boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
One and two. And dance. And
I always say the best thing about dogs is that no matter what in this world, they will always stay right by your side. Hey. You can come back? Alright. Good luck finding love like mine.
do it a treat. Treat. Bro, look at
Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Oh, you're so
Oh my god. I told you I heard him go behind us. There's no way. How did he get out? I was just joking about him running after Wendy.
I love you, Mr. Bubs. Do you love me too? No? Oh no. I think you love me.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
You can do it, Glimmer.
What?
Leave it. Hello.
Doggy!
Can you do the head tilt? Can you shake your tilts? Varnum, can you do a head tilt for a la la yummy? A Bobby gum boo boo. You wanna go for a whoop? And the tongue is out to the beat.
And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, Oh. Good Lord, how many times does he do it now?
Enzo! No!
No!
Ah!
Let's go party. Let's go make pee-pee. Open the door. Open the door.
Molly, ready? Get him, Molly!
Good. 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 Good boy.
Don't be talking to me like that. I don't care. So you mad? You big mad? I don't care.
Oh, you get it.
Oh, he always had it.
When it's cold and you're stuck in your house, you and your dog start losing your minds.
In the shallow, shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Так, ну чё балуемся? Так, ну чё вы? Васёк, ты чё?
I'm literally built as an athlete. Every blood test I've ever done has said that I am like over the normal limit of athleticness.
Yeah.
家人们，我的狗真的好漂亮！告诉我是青蛙滤镜还是我的狗真的很漂亮？
You are a nut. Yo, come here. What are you doing? Come here. Come here, baby. Oh my goodness. Hey, Okay, that's...
it. Is it a yes or no? Maybe?
You just want to sneak a kiss.
Me wanna.
You just want to sneak a kiss. Want to lay down? No. You just want to sneak a kiss, or you want to lay down?
Pizza, and we left the dog in the truck. Then I came in to find this.
Yeah.
Hey, Blue.
Hey.
Was it good?
Okay, let's check on the dogs. Let's see. There's Ruby, Snickers.
Oh my God.
Hey, go.
Go.
Kizzy, give me kisses. Give me kisses. Come on. Kisses.
Bien limpios los pies.
Rodney, scoot over. What's the matter? Are you upset at me for leaving you in the car? Rodney? Rodney? Are you proud of yourself, Cubby? Jesus. Dude. Bad dog, Cubby.
This way!